Today is a Tulamben day again, so we're going to the Tulamben. Only one diver. Anyways, I'm excited. See you later.
was peaceful and nice. We saw so many things, right?
What we did today is we've been cleaning and preparing everything for painting. Tomorrow is a painting day, if all goes good. So it's like a couple of places we have to first dry. Like for example, here where there is no roof, that we cannot paint it. Anyways, we're gonna use the first. We have to dry it. But later on, we're gonna use the waterproof paint, and then that's the one. Classroom is prepared, the office is prepared. All we need to do is just to paint. Rinsing pool is also done. So now it's shallower, and I changed also the pipe. The pipe is the diameter of the pipe is way bigger. Previously that was a small one. It's a kind of small corrections. I got a really interesting comment today from one of our really loyal friends, and he said, what if there is tsunami coming? Or what if there is a big waves? So let me explain you. The waves never go higher than, never goes higher than this area. Right, so that's why no worries, the big waves are not affecting us at all, and you can see it from this place. We are pretty high, so no worries about the big waves. If we're talking about the tsunami, then you have to understand that actually this is the narrowest place between the Lombok and Bali. So Lombok and Bali, that's the nearest place. Tsunami, to make a big and high wave, it needs a space to grow up or speed up, right? So here it's just impossible. Theoretically there can be a tsunami, right? So if there is an earthquake somewhere in the sea, so there can be a tsunami, but it's the same like in the Philippines. We lived in a place where between the islands is 20 kilometers. So if there is a tsunami, once in the Philippines we got the tsunami and it was 50 centimeters high. So it's just a big wave, it's not even a tsunami. What else to add? Nothing really else to add. The people fishing today, like a kind of picnic here, right? And then so there are another guys who's coming back from the fishing. That's it. Thank you very much for watching, and see you tomorrow again. Please subscribe. Bye.